Now you guys already know I'm all about saving you guys money and helping you guys make more money. Now when it comes to setting up a photo booth event, normally a lot of you guys use help, use an assistant, have two people out to work that event. The reason why I know you guys do this is because it usually requires two people to set this backdrop up, right? And this is like an old school style, as you guys can see from the skeleton. Now I'm using a newer style like this. This is a lot better. I just love it. So here is what I do now, because I'm only gonna be sending out one person to a photo booth event to make more profit, and then that person can make more money too because it's not being split by two different contractors. So what you guys do is you bring this down, okay? And you gotta give yourself enough space like that. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fully assemble the frame. And if you guys are interested in getting this frame plus backdrops, just know I put in an order. I bought a total of 4 backdrops, like the style you're about to see. And each backdrop has a different design, front and back, which saves me more money because it gives me more diversity by not having a bunch of cloths, okay? And I also bought another frame, and it's being shipped directly to my house for about $500. So imagine that, 4 backdrops. I'm actually here online. It's 4 backdrops, a frame, and 2 customized tablecloths, all for around $500. That's a deal that you can only get overseas when you're dealing directly with the manufacturer. I'm gonna go ahead and put his information in the bottom description box below to save you guys, like I said, a bunch of money. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up like this. Wait till it clicks, that. And so this is what I do, guys. I'll go to one end, and I'll scoop it up like this. And then I go to the other end. But before I go to the other end, you're gonna need 2 of these, at least 2 of these, okay? These you can get on Amazon. You can get like a pack of 6 or a pack of 4. And then I'll grab onto it like that just to kind of keep it in place. I'll work my way right over here. Now remember, we're doing this, why? Because we wanna make a lot more money per event. We don't want 2 photo booth operators working one event. That's not feasible. Okay, so now I can go like this. All right, cool. All right, so now that we have it to this degree, I'm gonna go over the pros. And I'm sorry, I'm already showing you the pros. I meant the cons, okay? So the cons is, if you're doing this outdoors, we have to be really careful because outdoors, there's gonna be dust on the ground and we don't wanna get these backdrops dirty. So that's the only con. If we're doing it in the carpet, we're doing it indoors, we're doing it on the grass, this is okay. But if you guys are if you're doing it like out in the rodeo, out on dirt, you have to be really careful you don't dirty your backdrop. So that's one setback that I can share with you guys. So then you continue moving this deeper in, probably like close to halfway. Then we grab it, same thing. You kind of just work your way just like that. And then you set the clamp again. And when you're like almost halfway, what you can start doing is kind of gauging, and this also depends on how tall you are. You can actually start pushing this up like this. Cool. Now that we're up here, I'm gonna pull it a little bit more, as much as I can. And then I'm gonna work my way up right over here, like this. This is what I love about the tension backdrops. They go on this easily, and you can do it now with one person. Guys, when it comes to a photo booth business, you have to scale as fast as possible, charge a premium price so that you guys can hire more and more people and expand much faster versus being in the cheapest in the market, and also doing things that are gonna cost you a lot of money, like having multiple operators at one event if it's not necessary. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video.